These tech story videos are racking up thousands, even millions of views on platforms like TikTok and YouTube, and earning the creators hundreds to thousands of dollars each month just from putting out these kinds of videos consistently. This niche has quietly become one of the most evergreen and profitable formats in short-form content. Why? Because people can't stop watching them. The chat-style stories create curiosity and suspense, making viewers stay longer and come back for more. Pair that with an engaging gameplay loop in the background, and you've got a perfect formula for retention and virality. Creating these videos used to take a lot of work. You'd need to write the story, record a voiceover, and find or create a gameplay video, not to mention editing it all together. But what if I told you that now you can skip all of that time-consuming process? That's where Clippie AI comes in. It's an insanely powerful tool that makes creating these viral tech story videos effortless. With just a few clicks, you can generate the entire story, have it formatted like a WhatsApp chat, choose your gameplay background, and even get the music automatically added, all in one place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process of how to create these videos using Clippie AI, even if you have zero experience. I'll show you how to come up with story ideas, how to use the tool to put your video together in minutes. So stick around till the end because you won't want to miss a single step. Now let's get started. The first step is coming up with ideas. I know this can be a struggle, so to make things easier, I've put together a Google Doc with idea prompts and high-engagement script prompt you can use right away. These prompts, with the help of AI tool like DeepSeek, can help you craft stories that grab attention and keep viewers hooked. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description of this video, so be sure to check it out. If you've made it this far into the video, it means you're serious about creating. So do me a quick favor by hitting the like button. This helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to more creators like you. All right, let's jump back in. Go ahead and open up the Google Doc, copy the idea prompts, and head over to DeepSeek. DeepSeek is completely free and unlimited. Once you're there, paste in the prompt. This prompt is designed to guide DeepSeek into generating a list of fresh, relationship-themed story ideas, perfect for those engaging text videos. Hit enter, and in seconds, DeepSeek will drop 10 compelling ideas right in front of you. Take a moment to scroll through them and pick the one that instantly grabs your attention. The kind of idea that makes you want to know what happens next. That's the spark you're looking for. The next step is generating our script. Head back to the Google Doc. You'll find a specially crafted script prompt waiting for you. This prompt is designed to help you generate a captivating storyline that keeps viewers hooked from the first message to the last. Copy the prompt, then jump over to DeepSeek and paste it in. Next, take the idea number you chose earlier and input it into the prompt. Then hit enter. In just moments, DeepSeek will generate a rich, engaging story told entirely through a WhatsApp-style chat between two characters. It'll be packed with emotion, suspense, and just the right amount of drama to keep your audience watching till the very end. Now that we've got our script, it's time to turn it into an actual video. And this is where things get exciting. We're going to use a powerful tool called Clippie AI, which makes this whole process super easy and fast. You'll find the link to Clippie AI in the description below. Just click it and create an account. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of content niches. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on the text story niche, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the text story section, you'll be greeted with a clean interface and a lot of pre-made templates. Take a moment to scroll through them and pick the one that fits your vibe. Now let's customize your characters. Start by giving your first character a name. For this example, we're keeping it mysterious and going with unknown. Then upload a profile picture to bring your character to life. Next, click on Advanced Settings. Here you can control how many messages appear per page. Then you also have the watermark option to protect your content, and even customize the font style of the watermark. You can also make it transparent if you want it subtle but still secure. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save. Now that we are done with this section, click on Next. In this next section, you'll have 3 different options to add your script, and each one is super flexible depending on how you want to work. First, you can upload your script file directly if you've already saved it on your device, or you can paste your script right into the text box and just follow the example format shown, which makes it easy to structure the chat dialogue. The next option is to use its built-in AI to generate a full script for you. Just choose your desired video length, drop in a short prompt, and hit Generate. Within seconds, you'll have a complete story ready to go. But for this tutorial, we're going to go with the manual input method, since we already have a script ready. So go back to DeepSeek, copy the full script it generated, and make sure to exclude any subtitles or unnecessary text. Then return to Clippie AI and paste it into the input box. Now hit this button to process the script. Clippie AI will automatically assign the dialogue to each character based on your input, formatting everything perfectly like a WhatsApp chat. Once you've reviewed it and everything looks good, click Next to move to the next section. Now here we need to pick a voice for the characters. In our script, the first character, Unknown, is a male, so let's start by choosing a fitting male voice. Click on Select Voice and you'll see a wide range of options. Take your time to preview a few and find the one that really captures the tone and vibe of your character. Next up is the second character. Lena is a female, so browse through the available female voices and pick one that brings her personality to life. Once you've got both voices selected and you're happy with your choices, click Generate and Clippie AI will start creating the voiceovers for each line of dialogue. After a few moments, your voiceover will be ready to go. Now hit Next, and let's move on to the next section. Now it's time to add the finishing touches there. For the background video, you can choose from the available options, but I recommend you record your own gameplay for a unique touch, or grab copyright-free gameplay clips from Pinterest or similar sites and upload them directly. This helps your video stand out and stay safe from copyright issues. Next up is the background music. You can either upload your own custom sound or just click Select Audio to browse Clippie AI's built-in library. Preview a few tracks until you find one that matches the mood of your story perfectly. Once you've picked the right background sound, you can fine-tune the volume to make sure it complements the voiceover without overpowering it. When everything feels just right, click on Export, give your project a name, and hit Render Video. The AI will start processing everything, stitching together your chat story, voiceovers, gameplay, and music into one seamless video. Once the rendering is complete, just hit Download, and your final video is ready to go. Now let's take a look at our final result.
Hey, it's me from Sparkdate. You left me on read for 3 days. That's harsh.
Wait, who is this? I deleted the app. Did we even match?
Ouch, that stings. Yeah, we talked for an hour. You said you liked mysterious guys who don't overshare. So, here I am, mysterious?
Lol, okay, mystery man. Why no name? You a serial killer?
Worse, a lawyer, kidding, not a lawyer.
Then what's the big secret?
Let's just say if you knew who I was, you'd run or scream or both.
Are you my ex? Because if this is Jake, I swear.
Not Jake, promise, but I do know you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and drop any questions you have in the comment section.